How to fix your skin with organic laundry soap. If you struggle with acne or oily skin, then there's a chance you'll have tried just about every shop-bought product going. You might have used products designed to dry up your skin and remove oil, or perhaps you may have tried products that burn away the top layer of your skin to remove dead skin cells. Chances are these just made matters worse. In fact, the likelihood is that your bad skin is caused by unnatural products to begin with. And these can even include things that you don't consider as being skin products. For example, if you are currently sleeping on a pillow, then your face is in direct contact with your laundry detergent. If you notice that you have worse acne on one side, then you might be having a reaction to the ingredients in that product. The solution? Make your own laundry soap. How it works: natural laundry detergent products instead rely on coconut oil, sodium bicarbonate, essential oils and other similar inclusions. These work to break up grease, to imbue a pleasant scent and softness and to kill off bacteria. Then again though, the high temperatures of your washing machine will be able to do the latter all on their own. A simple how-to for organic laundry soap. If you want to try making your own organic laundry soap, then this is an excellent way to save a lot of money as well as to ensure you can be completely sure of what has gone into it. One option is just to mix a little natural washing soda, sodium carbonate, with some borax. Washing soda is made from common salt and limestone, and you can either buy it or make your own from regular baking soda. Borax is also a naturally occurring mineral that contains sodium, oxygen, boron and water. It is found in most organic soaps and detergents, and it's very useful for cleaning. Simply grate the soap with 2 quarts of water and then add to 5 gallons of hot tap water and 2 cups of washing soda. You can find out more about this particular recipe here. There are a few different organic laundry detergent recipes you can try, but in this case it is often easier just to buy one of the best organic laundry detergent products ready-made. These are affordable, efficient and completely healthy and safe.